What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by the title, today's video is sponsored by Kemy hair. Y'all, let's get into this red, okay, because it got your girl feeling real, you know, y'all know. So yes, this is a 20, let me get the details for y'all, because y'all, I definitely recommend y'all go get this wig. And y'all know I keep it real with y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm not gonna cap to y'all. But this wig, first of all, I did not have to bleach the knots, okay? Because knots wear. It is a 4x4 closure, which I love me a closure. And I also did not have to add any makeup to my part, y'all. Y'all will see in the video. Y'all, this hair is so freaking bomb. And for this to be, y'all, this is 26 inches, okay? Excuse me if I'm talking with this. I just got my braces off. And I have a permanent retainer in the back of my mouth that I'm still trying to get used to, so I apologize. But this is 26 inches. Just for reference, I am 5'2". And y'all, look at this. Look how freaking long this hair is. Literally to my butt. And it's 26 inches. Okay, 26 where, baby? This is 30. I don't care. This is 30 because I've never had 26 inches touch my butt like that. Like, Kemy, y'all didn't have to do me like that, okay? Because y'all did me right. I ain't gonna lie, y'all did me right. So yeah, this hair is the Kemy Hair Custom Maroon Red Body Wave Human Hair 4x4 Lace Closure Wig. And again, this is in 26 inches. And she is very much given. I did not experience that much shedding, nothing too crazy. I've experienced wigs that shed way more than this wig has. And honestly, it's really nothing nothing that I was kind of concerned about. I literally did not do anything to this wig. I did not bleach the knots. I did not add any makeup to it other than tinting the lace, which I will see in the video. I added makeup just to kind of match my skin complexion. But as far as like my part, this is a natural part, okay, y'all? Like, for this to be a 4x4 closure, y'all, I am in freaking love, okay? I'm in love. But yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, I just got some cute little loose curls. I tried to do my barrel curls today for the first time, and I struggled a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I'm learning, okay? I'm learning. So, like I said, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep watching. Again, it's super easy, super simple. I literally did not have to do much to this hair at all. Literally, the only thing I did was cut the lace and curled it. That's it, y'all. I'll also make sure that I drop my coupon code down below in the description box, right along with all the details to this hair, as well as the link if you are interested, because you should be, because again, she's giving, okay? But yeah. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any uploads when I upload. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back, baby, because I really, really, really and truly appreciate it. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. You don't gotta worry about me. Made it clear that you're unhappy. Go ahead and have your fun now. Just remember what goes around comes around. You don't gotta worry about me. Made it clear that you're unhappy. Go ahead and have your fun now. Remember what goes around. Bye.